All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday, we went over the high level fundamentals of the blockchain. Today, we're going to pick up where we left off. We still haven't finished the module yet, so we're just going to pick up and go as far as we got. So now let's look at this concept called consensus, which is a proof of work and proof of stake. Both fall under this umbrella of consensus. So when we mean consensus, we're talking about the proof of work and proof of stake. So the consensus, this is the mechanism used to agree on the state of the blockchain. We briefly went over the concept of consensus when we talked about the nodes in a decentralized system. We learned that if one node is corrupt or changed from the other nodes in the system, by consensus, the other nodes will exclude the offending node. Very roughly, a consensus protocol in a blockchain or decentralized system can be broken down into two pieces: a section, a selection algorithm, and a Sybil resistance mechanism. Now, the Sybil resistance is a mining or the proof of work mechanism, falls under this umbrella, and this is what Ethereum and blockchain currently use. Note, as of September 15, 2022, the Ethereum network migrated from proof of work and is now a proof of stake system. So I guess that was just I just said that for no reason because the Ethereum network no longer works on a proof of work, it's proof of stake, so just the Bitcoin is the proof of work. So this event was known as the merge. Now, proof of work is known as a Sybil resistance mechanism because it defines a way to figure out who the block author is or which node is the node that did the work to find and then mine that block. So all the other nodes can verify that it is accurate. Now, the Sybil resistance is the blockchain ability to defend against users creating a large number of pseudo anonymous identities to obtain disproportionately advantageous influence over the system. In essence, this is a blockchain's defense mechanism against a user making a bunch of fake blockchains to try and get more of the mining rewards. Now, this is some of the concepts we went over on day two of the high-level blockchain fundamentals. Like I said, we took a lot more notes, and we're still not out of this module yet, so I'm guessing there's a lot more we have to go over. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. Now, for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.